Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. Today I have made so many videos regarding the mathematics and Navodaya coaching classes. Now from today I am planning about doing only the videos regarding the Navodaya coaching classes and Sainik coaching classes. Already Sainik school exams are completed and results also came. Now already we know that the Navodaya exams they have postponed. We don't know the exactly date, but exams are postponed. So the students and parents who is watching this video, in this video I am going to explain about the mirror image. So please subscribe our channel so that you will get latest information. And from today daily you are going to get Navodaya videos regarding the Navodaya coaching classes. In this video I will explain you about the mirror image. It is the seventh part, and the questions, 4 questions will be there, and total it contains 5 marks. So let's see about the mirror image in detail. So students, in mirror image, they will ask, already I told you, 4 questions are there. Each question carries 1.25 marks, means 5 marks. If you complete study this detail, you will get 5 marks fixed. So mirror image is very simple. Don't get confused about this one. And one more thing you have to add, see that if you stand in front of the mirror, okay, if you stand in front of the mirror, how it looks like. For example, if I stand in front of the mirror, okay, if I raise my right hand, in mirror you can see that it's looking like left hand. So if I show like this, so you can see here, if I show like this, in mirror it is looking like this. So this is only different we can see. This one looks like this. If you show this one, it's look like this. Means a left becomes right, right becomes left. That's the only difference in the mirror image. Okay. In this one more is there, that water image. If you keep mirror at your foot, how it is looking like. That is about water image. So in mirror image, we should think that it is looking like vice versa. Don't think that it is completely up and down. Sometimes you will get confused there. Don't get confused. If you stand in front of the mirror, okay, left becomes right and right becomes left. Don't think that your legs go upside and your head will downside. It is wrong concept. Okay. Now I will give some examples with the help of the textbook. Then I will show you how to do that. So here friends, so it is the 7th part. First we have to read the direction carefully while practicing, and after getting perfect, not need to read the direction, because you know that by observing that figure only you have to mention that it is this part. We have to do this only, like this we have to do. Okay friends, so you can see here they will give 4 questions. In the direction they will give clear that, okay, and left side problem figure, you can see the problem figures in the left side, and right side answer figures are there. They will give 4 answer figures. In that, which is the mirror image of this problem figure, we have to find out. So here this is the problem figure. If you hold this to the mirror, just think that you can put your hand like this here. Just think it is your mirror. Okay, if you put here mirror, so this one reflects here, it will reflect here. So how it is looking like. So they have given here 4 options. In these 4 options, which is exactly suits that, we have to take the answer. Okay, so here in these 4 options you can see here, it will, I told you, it will come right side and this comes left side. Okay, it will go right side means here. So this is completely changed. The shape you can see here, this also changed, and this is here curve. So you can see here 4th one, it is completely suitable. Right side is there, this corner, this right side corner, it becomes left side, and this left side becomes right side. So 4th one is the answer in this first one. So let's take one more example, students. Here this is one figure. We have to find out the mirror image of this one. Okay, now what is the mirror image of this? Just you can guess here. So this triangle should come at the right side. So right side means how many are there? 1, 2. Like this we have to guess. Okay. After this, you can see this, observe this half moon, means half circle is there, no? This will not do like this, means it will not change up and down. So this will be the answer. Fourth is the answer. Like this we have to think. Okay friends, I think you are getting this one. Now let's go for the next question. So this arrow mark, it will goes right side, means mirror image means you have to go, it will go right side. If you think about this one, right side means only 2 are there again in this 2 which is suitable. So this one is the suitable, because we have to observe this also, this line also we have to observe. So third one is the answer. Like this we have to think and we have to decide. So now let's come to the next one more example, fourth example. So the number 6 is there. Okay, and students, one more thing we have to remember here. Before going to start this one, we have to write all the A to Z capital letters and small letters and 1 to 9 numbers, and you have to write, you have to practice how it comes in the mirror image. Okay, then you will get easily this answer. So 6 becomes, some students they will think that 9 is the answer, but 9 is a completely wrong answer. Okay, because I told you it will not go upside. Left becomes right side and right becomes left side. So that means the second will be the answer. Okay, don't get confused. Second is the answer. Now let's take one more example here. See here, this is one shape is there. If you see this in mirror, how it is look like, it will go right side. Okay, if you go right side means this dark should be there right side. Here one is there, and second and fourth. Okay, the second and fourth are looking the answers for this, but again we have to observe these lines here. So, okay, by observing these lines we can say that fourth is the answer. Okay students, like this we have to solve. Okay, in the next video again I will come with one more mental ability part, 8th part, and in future I am going to solve the mathematics also. So to get notifications regarding our channel, please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.